Dum de doo 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 doo. I don't know why I feel like saying that. Welcome to another edition of Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. We got. Here's what we got so far. Brownie. Ooh. It's actually good. One thing I might do different next time, these doggy rolls, I make them a little smaller, do it about half that roll. That's one thing I do different on that one. But good. Bakery fresh goodness, chocolate brownies with walnut. Dum de doo 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 doo. I don't know why I feel like saying that. Man, I'm gonna call these duty egg rolls. Duty egg rolls. Duty egg rolls. It has a ring to it. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Oh me. Is it just me or does that look like something? Doo-dah, doo-dah. There she goes. Walnut brownie egg rolls. Just let them go. Just let them go, Papa. And there you go. This is what I say. On an egg roll, I think you can walk through the supermarket and find anything. It just hits you and you go, I'm gonna try that. It's another edition of Papa's Kitchen. Yeah.